Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas, and this is day 5. Still going strong, still going strong. So much better than last year. I'm so happy. Okay, so no surgeries this year, which is wonderful. Last year I had surgery, so I had to stop Vlogmas, but this year, doing it good. So today we are going to make something called Christmas crack. Now I saw this on, I think it was Frankie's YouTube channel, which is Alex Garza's sister. And I was like, yes, girl, yes. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna attempt it. Let's see how it comes out. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. So let's go on this adventure together. Okay, so it says to start off with prepping or preheating the oven to 350, so that's what we're gonna do. So, like 350. Let's make sure there's nothing in there. Nope. Okay. I always gotta check because sometimes I do leave stuff in there, like just regular pots and pans. Also, this recipe is from delish.com. I'll actually link it down below so that you can make it yourself if you so fancy. So I'm gonna actually prop you up here real quick. Okay. Hey guys. It's kind of dark in here, but you know, you work with what you got. Anyway, so, okay, in a medium-sized saucepan, melt butter and brown sugar. Bring to a boil, stirring continuously for about 2 minutes. Pour mixture over crackers. Okay, so I kind of skipped ahead. It says line a baking sheet or jelly roll pan with tin foil and oh my god, I can't read. And coat with cooking spray. Line baking sheet with saltine crackers set aside. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do first. I actually have my handy dandy little baking sheets right here and my baking pan. So I'm actually gonna put the parchment paper now. Let's make sure you don't fall. Thank you. Okay. And these are already like pre-cut parchment paper, so it's perfect. Put that just like that. And I already washed my hands, so don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Okay, and then it does say to use, oh, excuse me. Now it does say to use saltines, like saltine crackers, but I saw Frankie do it with Ritz crackers, if I'm not mistaken. Plus I feel like Ritz crackers would just taste better. So yeah, let's do that. Why do I always break it? Like, why? Okay. Okay, so the melting of the butter and brown sugar is gonna happen now. So you melt the 2 sticks of unsalted butter with the brown sugar, and that's 1 cup, right? 1 cup of packed brown sugar, and you melt it for 2 minutes in the saucepan, and then you pour it over the crackers. So here we go, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the 2 sticks of butter and the brown sugar. That's 1 cup of brown sugar packed to the top. And that's gonna go in here. Okay, so now that it's lined with the caramel, which I made, which was the brown sugar and the butter mixture, it says to bake it for 5 to 6 minutes, and then top it with chocolate chips, which I have right here, semi-sweet. and then to bake it for another 3 minutes or until melted. And then add the M&Ms. So we're gonna do this step by step, guys. Step by step. So I'm actually gonna put this in here to bake. Ooh, kind of hot. Okay. So that's gonna bake for, let's put it for 6 minutes. Okay. Then it says after the 6 minutes, I'm gonna add the chocolate chips on there after the 6 minutes and then show you how it's going. It's going good, it's going good so far. I feel like I'm just anticipating on eating it, so I'm just like, I want it so bad. Yeah, I know. I'm a sweets person, big time. Bad for my teeth. So this is what it looks like. It was bubbling just a minute ago, and it looks like it's gonna start hardening very soon. So I'm actually gonna throw these chocolate chips on them right now. Okay, so the recipe called for 1 3/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I eyeballed it, as you saw, because I don't like to follow directions. I'm a rebel, okay? So I put as many as I wanted on there as I felt was right. And I put it back in the oven for 3 minutes, as it says to do. I'm gonna pull it out. Make sure that the chocolate chips are actually melted so I can spread the chocolate deliciousness, and then I can put my M&Ms on. And I'm actually gonna add some sea salt to the top because I saw Frankie do it and I was like, girl, yes. Sea salt, give it that sweet salty. Yes. Okay, so a couple quick things. I dropped my camera. So the very last clip that I was taking of spreading the chocolate chips doesn't look like it made it. It says something about memory card not found or no memory card, and obviously there's a memory card in there because I'm recording, so I'm just like, couldn't recover the footage. However, the chocolate chips were spreadable. That clip you won't see, but I spread it pretty evenly, and then I threw some mini chocolate chip bits on there. So another thing is that I'm glad that I didn't lose all my footage because I've done that before. I need to be very careful about how I'm placing my camera. I know it sucks, but now I'm gonna go ahead and cool this because it looks like this was a success, but I need to taste it, but I need to let it cool before I taste it because I don't want to go to the bathroom right away. Anyway, I'm gonna throw this in the fridge, so place you somewhere safe. Okay, so we are back, and I put the Christmas crack in the refrigerator for 20 minutes so it could cool and harden, and I pre-cut it. Well, let me show you. So now I'm actually gonna remove it from the parchment paper, which is gonna be super easy to do. And I'm gonna taste the little corner. So this is what it looks like up close. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. I'm way too excited for this, guys. Mmm. It's sweet and salty, I love it, and crunchy. Very different. It's really good. I'm so happy this came out so good. Cause, excuse me, I made some crab that was not so good. And Freddie's always my guinea pig. And he's like, that tastes different. But yeah, so it came out really good. I'm very happy. I'm actually going to be sharing and spreading this Christmas crack. So I'll get some reactions and I'll put that on my Instagram stories so that you guys can check it out. If you're not following me on Instagram, boo-boo, what are you waiting for? I put my little name somewhere where you can go ahead and just read it. Search me up real quick. Add me. Just do it. Don't hesitate. Just add. Okay? All right. Well, thank you so much for watching my Vlogmas. I'll see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas. And the one after that, the one after that, because I'm doing it all month. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.